Do you know Thomas Edison? He was a great inventor. More than 1000 patents are on his name. He had contributed a lot to the world. There is a famous story about Thomas Edison. After trying 9,999 times to perfect electric bulb, someone asked him, when he had not succeeded, are you going to register your name as a failure for 10,000 times? Thomas Edison answered, I just discovered another way not to invent the electric light bulb. He had discovered how another set of actions had produced different results. Friends, I am Biswajit. I am a math educator. Today, we do some important questions on statistics, class 10 for board exam. Let us start from question number 1. If the mean of the frequency distribution is 6, find the value of P. Given x given here, x given 2, 4, 6, 10, P plus 5. F given 3, 2, 3, 1, 2. X given and F given, and also mean given 6, mean given 6. Find the value of P. As you know, mean formula sigma fx by sigma f, sigma fx by sigma summation of fx by summation of f. First we find sigma f, and here we find, is fx multiplied 2 into 3 6, 4 into 8, 6 into 3 18 is 10, and it is 2 into p 2p plus 10. Now add sigma fx. Sigma f, you see 3, this 6, 2, 8, 3, 11. This one 14, 32, 42, 52, 2p plus 52. Okay. Sigma f 11, sigma fx 2p plus 52, and here mean given 6. Put here C6 is equal to 2p plus 52 upon 11. Now you see, cross multiply 2p plus 52 is equal to 11 into 6, 66. That implies 2p is equal to 66 minus 52. 2p equal to 14. Now p equal to 14 by 2, that equal to 7. So that is the answer. Okay. Next question. We'll do, write it down. It's very easy. Next, find the missing frequencies, the following frequency distribution if it is known that mean of distribution is 1.46, mean given 1.46, and number of accidents x given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and f given 46, it is f1, it is f2. We have to find f1 and f2. 25, 10 and 5. Total given 200. See, mean given 1.46, X given, F given. We have to find F1 and F2. We have to find F1 and F2. Now you know the formula. Mean is sigma fx by sigma f. So first find fx. Multiply. With 0. This one F1, 2F2, 75, 40 and 25. Now what to do? You have to add sigma fx. It is sigma f is given 200. Sigma fx, you see 65, 140, 75. 140 plus f1 plus 2f2. That is sigma fx. It mean given. Here total sigma f given 200. So this one we can find. You see here 46. It is 71, 81, 86. So 86 plus f1 plus f2 is equal to 200. Total sum. 81 plus 5, 86 plus f1 plus f2 equal to 200. That implies f1 plus f2 is equal to 200 minus 86. So 114 is equation 1. Okay. Now you see here mean given 1.46. What is the formula of mean? Mean equal to sigma fx by sigma f. So 1.46 is equal to sigma fx is 140 plus f1 plus 2f2. What is one? Sigma fx 140 plus f1 plus 2f2 upon sigma f. Sigma f given 200. Okay. Now cross multiply. You can write 140 plus f1 plus 2f2 is equal to 200 into this one. You can write 192, 142, sorry, 292 multiply 200. Then f1 plus 2f2 is equal to 292 minus 140. That implies f1 plus 2f2 is equal to 2 is 5, 152. So it is equation 2. Now you see equation 1, f1 plus f2 is equal to 114, and second equation f1 plus 2f2 equal to 152. Now you see coefficient equal, coefficient of f1 equal. Now we can subtract. Change the sign here. So this is cancel. Minus 2f2, so it is minus f2 is equal to minus, it is 838 minus 30. So f2 equal to 38. F2 equal to 38. Now put the value of f2 in equation 1. f1 plus f2 is equal to 114. That implies f1 plus 38 equal to 114. That implies f1 equal to 114 minus 38. Get 76. So f1 is 76 and f2 is 38. Write it down. It's very easy. This type of question will come in the board exam. Okay, be careful and practice these questions. Third, write it. Third question, if the mean of the following list was 54, mean given 54, and find the value of p. Class given, it is class given, class means class interval 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, then 80 to 100. Okay, and frequency given, f given 7, p 10, 9, 13, 10, 9 and 13. Okay, class given, frequency given. Class interval given, frequency given, and mean also given. We have to find the value of P. Here we can apply direct method, assuming method also. So class given means we have to find mid value. Okay, that is mid value, or we can write class mark. Class mark, it is called X. Mid value or the class mark X. How to find? To find the class mark, we have to add these two and divide it by 2. 0 plus 20 by 2, 10. 20 plus 40 by 2, 30. 40 plus 60 by 2, 50. Then 70. Then it is 90. Okay. If we use assuming method, or that is called shortcut method, then we have to find this X, we find D. That is called DI. It is XI. XI, you can write XI. It is FI. Then DI. How to find DI? DI equal to XI minus A. A means assume mean. Assume mean, to take the middle one. It will be easy to find the value. Then you see XI minus A, 10 minus A, this is A. 10 minus 50 minus 40. 30 minus 50 minus 20, it is 0. 70 minus 50, 20. 90 minus 50, it is 40. Okay. Then, what to do? Fi into Di, multiply. Frequency this one, minus 280. This one, minus 20p. 0. This is 180. This one is 520. Okay. Now, we sum it up, add it, frequency add. Okay, now you see here it is 520, 600, 700, 700 minus 280, 420, 420 minus 20p. Okay, sum is 420 minus 20p. Here 22, 32, 39 plus P. Sigma FIDI is sigma F. So using assuming method, shortcut method, formula is mean equal to A plus sigma FIDI by sigma FI. Sigma FI. Mean given 54. A is 50 plus sigma FIDI is 420 minus 20p upon 39 plus p. 22 plus 7, 13, 22, 10, 32. Then 54 minus 50 is 4 equal to 420 minus 20p upon 39 plus p. Now cross multiply. 39 into 4, 156 plus 4p is equal to 420 minus 20p. That implies 4p, it is plus 20p is equal to 420 minus 156. That implies 24p is equal to is 462, 264. P equal to 264 upon 24. 24 ones are 24 ones. So 11 is the value of P. Okay, write it down. The important question. Next, mean of the frequency distribution is 62.8. Mean given 62.8, and sum of all frequencies is 50. Sum of all frequencies means sigma f given 50. compute the missing frequencies F1 and F2. You have to find F1 and F2. Class given and frequency given. Okay. Class given 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, then 100 to 120. Frequency given 5, F1, 10, F2, 5, F1, 10, F2, 7, 8. Question. Mean given, this sum given, sigma F equal to 50 given. Okay, 50 given means here if you put value, we can find equation. This sum is 8 plus 5, 8 plus 15, 25, 30. So 30 plus F1 plus F2 equal to 50. That implies F1 plus F2 equal to 20. Equation 1. Clear? This is equation 1. Then what to find? Class given. We have to find class mark. Class mark xi. Xi. This plus this by 2 is 10. This plus this by 2, 30, 50, 70, 10, 90, 110. Clear? Divide this 2 and add this 2 and divide. Then this is x. Then we find di using shortcut method, assuming method. Di equal to xi minus a. So a, if we take a, this one 70, take 70. 10 minus 70 minus 60. 30 minus 70 minus 40. 50 minus 70 minus 20, 0, 20 and 40. Clear? Now next step is Fi into di. Fi di. 5 into this one minus 300. This one minus 40 F1. This into this minus 200. This into this 0. And this one 140. This one 320. Okay. Now add it. You see here 320, 460. 460 minus 200. 260 minus 300. 260 minus 300. Minus 40. Minus 40 minus 40 F1. See 460 minus 260. 260 minus 40. Minus 40. Okay. So here minus 40 minus 40 F1. And this one F1 plus F2. Mean given. Mean formula A plus sigma Fi di. A sigma Fi. Mean given 62.8 equal to A is 70 plus this one is minus 40 F1 upon 50. Okay. Now we take this one here. It will be minus 7.2 negative is equal to minus 40 F1 50. It implies multiply 36. 360 it is 36. 15 to 7.3. 15 to 360 minus 360 equal to minus 40 F1. That implies you take this one 40 F1 equal to minus 40 plus 360. That implies F1, 40 again, right? 40 F1 is equal to 320. That implies F1 equal to 320 upon 40. So it is 8. Okay. F1 8. If F1 8, F1 plus F2, F1 plus F2 is equal to 20. That implies 8 plus F2 equal to 20. That implies F2 equal to 12. So F1 is 8 and F2 equal to 12. Write it down. These questions are very important. In my next video, we will do some more questions. So wait viewers. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.